I'm learning the process. I've got ants like crazy out here. I don't know why. These are the males. They're all closed up. They open up in the morning. And I guess mine are still pretty young because they don't really have any females. There is one female that's coming. And you can tell, let me see if I can zoom in. You can tell because you see how it's a little fatter? Fatter at the bottom? It's like a little teeny tiny baby zucchini. Right there. Focus. There we go. Whereas the male flowers, well, like even this one, it's straight and smooth, but there's a little bulb at the bottom of the female one. See, this one's all males. Oh wait, there's a girl. It's a girl. So what we gotta wait for is for this flower to open on the girl, that flower, and then we can pollinate it, because I don't know, I don't seem to have bees. I have a lot of flies and wasps, but if I come out here early enough I'll show you them opened up. But I'll show you how if the girls ever have a flower that opens, I can show you how I'll fertilize it. Open up! Wow! Oh, you can't see anything I'm doing. Get that pollen in there. Get that pollen in there. Wait, there we go. Look at it! I got a zucchini! This. Alright, because I don't have duct tape, I'm using packing tape. We'll see if it works. Right there.
Oh my gosh. They're so small.
Yeah. It's not working. Well, I got some of them. Let's just take the leaf.
Hold on. You just got 2 more. There. Nice.
Alright, we gotta check the rest of these. Because there were like 5 squash bugs on this earlier. You see how all the leaves are turning yellow and sad?
Mm-hmm. I was looking for something bigger.
It's a sign. And one fell down on the ground, so I know one escaped. Should I take this leaf off? Because it's not happy.
The one that's broken?
Yeah, this one.
Okay. And this one too.
Yeah, just rip it. I shall cover it. We gotta dispose of the tape in the trash.
Cool.
This is I just put these in here as support for the cucumber, or the zucchini, but it's a spider. Anything that you see that looks like it could be a baby one. Look at this poor, this one was gonna fruit, and I don't think it's gonna make it. I'm so sad. It killed that other one. Alright, well, we get rid of the eggs.
Yeah, I don't see any more on these.
So this one's getting chewed in half too. You can see what it looks like. The damage from the vine borers. There's one. He chewed my plant's main stem in half. see if I can hold it steadier.